If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to a SHIB video update. Right, so SHIB is making a move, and I do see SHIB, some people saying it has bottomed out or not. I do wish the bottom becomes in, but I want to start in from the monthly time frame because there's a little bit of an issue on the monthly. And it actually starts with this move down, move up, move down, move up, move down. So basically this was your bear flag right there, and we have a technical target that I think is not still met. So it was all the way down to nearly 577, 567. So one thing that really bothers me, and I've seen this literally with every single coin, even Bitcoin has this, is that you're still having another flag here and you could potentially just be on the verge of retesting the bear flag. So this on the monthly time frame is what really bothers me about SHIB. So you went down like this, you made the bear flag, you popped down, you went back. Is this a retest to continue lower? That's the main question, by the way. So I personally, if I went to, all right, listen me out. There are three types of, analysis. One is technical analysis, one is fundamental analysis, and one is actually sentimental analysis. Now, if you go with the sentimentals, the feeling, and if I used my previous experience basically, and it's just like having a normal conversation with other traders and ask them, hey, what do you think about SHIB? Then I think, SHIB for me has bottomed out. If I went to the sentimental analysis part of it, if I went to the technical part of it, and I started to do, and this is a TA video, and it's important to actually talk about TA more than sentimentals, but I'm just giving an example. If I was to go with sentimentals, I think that's the bottom. And if I had to go TA, this is a bear flag breakdown, go back for the retest, it will still actually end up coming to 381 level. So that's one thing you gotta keep in mind. I'm not going to say anything other than that. But now that's the monthly, right? Who's gonna wait for 2-3 months and see what happens? So we're gonna have to dive into the daily, and the daily is actually really amazing because I'm going to show you why. So first of all, you have this one big resistance up here that you've actually broken out of. So you can see that was your first resistance, second resistance right there, moved down, and you came up and you broke out of it. So one can say that you have the chances to actually come above and cross, come back up to 1700 level. So that's basically what I'm expecting for SHIB. And then from here you can see that you do have a pattern that is going to be in form, and this is going to be amazing. And my sentimental analysis is going to be good because on the daily one can say that, hey, you have a bottom and a second bottom and a double bottom, a huge W went up like this, and you're now coming up, breaking up, and you could be looking for a move up from there to there, and you're going to see this thing flying all the way up to 3,303, and that could be the bottom of it. So yeah, this is something that you guys have to keep an eye on. I think the first target is actually coming up to this resistance, and then from there we're going to see what happens. And for the monthly, by the way, I want to say one thing, that if you do come above and break the bear flag, so you really need to come to nearly 1700. By the way, if you do that, you can see that you're going to be breaking the bear flag. If you do come up to 1700, this bear flag like this is going to get terminated, and then boom, you come above the bear flag, and then you're looking for that push to the upside. That was your bottom. So that's pretty much it for this update. Can't really say if this is not your bottom or not, but we're gonna go step by step, and step by step, 1700, break 1700, 3000, and that's pretty much it for this update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.